For question 4, I want to first get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So I'm going to subtract the 75 from both sides. So now that you have everything on this side and 0 on this side, you're ready to factor. So I can factor out a GCF of 3, which leaves me with 4x squared minus 25. And then the 4x squared minus 25, this is a difference in two squares. So I can put my two parentheses with a minus and a plus. And in the first two blanks, what times itself gives you 4x squared? That would be 2x. And then in the second two blanks, what times itself gives you 25? And that would be 5. And I still have the 3. So I'm going to set each of my factors equal to 0. So 3 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 3 is equal to 0. This does not make sense, so I actually don't even care about it. With 2x minus 5, this will be 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 over 2, and then 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This will be 2x is equal to negative 5, and x is equal to negative 5 over 2. So those would be my two answers for this question.